Hi there, it's Natalie Critchley from nataliecritchley.com in Northern Virginia. Thanks so much for being here. Today we're going to talk about the 5 mistakes that you can make in your affiliate marketing business that could stop you before you get started. But before we do that, if you wouldn't mind clicking that red subscribe button, and if you want to hit that red bell, boom, you will get email notices with my videos as they're released each and every week. So let's get started in talking about the five mistakes, 5 very important mistakes that could just really stop your affiliate marketing business before it even gets started. So, number 1, choosing the wrong product. I cannot tell you how many stories I hear about people who think this really cool product or service is going to be the next thing that makes them a ton of money and they get to quit their 9-to-5 job. Well, first of all, you need to do some research on whatever product it is you want to sell because, essentially you're marketing you, right? So, pick a product or service, do the research, make sure you use that product or service, and then from there, you have a basis, the beginning basis for marketing, right? But you got to do the research. You can't do something you're not comfortable doing, right? Like, I don't have any pets. Now, could I go out and sell a new dog bed? Sure. Would it make me happy? No, that's just not my thing, right? But that doesn't mean I can't do it, but I'd better do the research and know what I'm getting into because I'm going to be talking and communicating and sharing a lot of information with dog owners that they're not in my wheelhouse. So, number 1, pick the right product. Research that product or service before you decide to go for it. Number 2, again, super important, almost as important as number 1, use the product. Now, I just mentioned a dog bed. Have your dog use the dog bed, right? But use the product. If you're marketing travel, go to the hotel, take a trip, use the online service. If you're marketing a health and wellness product, use the product. How do you feel? Does it make you, sleep better? Do you have more energy? Have you lost 5 pounds? Whatever it is, make sure you use that product. Make sure you know how to set it up. Make sure you can go through the cycle that person on the other end of receiving that product from you is going to be able to do the same thing because you have to talk to that product or service. I mean, you're the other side of that product or service. And it's just really important that you use it so you know that it works, right? There are countless people who buy products who never use them and try to market them and wonder why they don't make any money. Now, it's crazy, right? Just really, really be careful with that. Number 3, you got to have a strategy. You got to have a strategy when you're marketing your product. So if you're going to go to all the trouble of finding a great product or service, using the product or service, make sure you've got a marketing strategy to share that product or service. Because 1, how are you going to get it out there? Are you, with your affiliate link, are you going to run Facebook ads? Are you going to, do some organic traffic, just go into groups? Are you going to use Facebook Messenger? Might you use YouTube and make some free videos? Are you going to do something on Pinterest? Are you going to do something on Snapchat? There are all these platforms. So you have to kind of do research, pick a platform and pick one, really master it, and then do some free traffic and then do some paid traffic and see what your results look like. And I'm going to throw a bonus in here, track your results. If you're spending time and money, track your results because you won't know where those new leads, those new customers came from unless you somehow track them. So that's number 3. Got to have a strategy. Got to have a marketing strategy. Super, super important. The 4th thing is to give it time, right? Most people quit before they get started. You have to give this time. And I heard another marketer, a friend of mine in another company who said, you do it until, right? There's no date. There's no time frame. You just do it until you've done it right, and then it may not work, and then you may need to switch products. You may just need to switch platform. You may need to switch the service, whatever, but you have to try it. You have to do it from start to finish. You cannot quit. And so many people quit before they get started. So that's number 4. And the fifth thing, 5, is making sure that you put yourself out there, right? You are sharing your link in the YouTube description. You are sharing your link and providing value in groups. You are sharing your link, not spamming your link, but sharing your link, but providing content and value to groups and those people around you, whether you're offline networking in a network marketing company, whether you're online, as an affiliate marketer like I am, I'm sharing my link, I'm providing value, I'm giving a freebie in exchange for, giving that link out. Make sure that you're not a secret agent, man or woman, where nobody knows what you're doing. And so many times people do that. I've been guilty of that. Sometimes don't do a call to action. People need direction. You have to tell people kind of what to do, but you have to let people know what you're doing. And sometimes it's the fear of people thinking, oh, what is she doing, or what's he doing now, or whatever. But you have to just get over that, right? Just get over the fear. And, and once you do that, I promise you, everything gets easier. Trust me, been there, done it. So those 5 mistakes can really put the screeching brakes on your business before they get started. So let me just go through them one more time. Pick a good product or service. Do the research. Use that product or service. Make sure you use it. 3, let me go back to 3. Gosh, what was a strategy? Marketing strategy. 4, don't put a time frame on your success. Go until you can go. Go until you've done it 100%, you know it's right, and if it hasn't worked, then you get a chance to rethink what you're doing. And 5, don't be a secret agent, man or woman. Tell people what you're doing so people can support you, people can get behind you, and people might want to buy what you have to offer. So, make sure those 5 mistakes do not show up anywhere in your day-to-day routine, because those are the 5 that could really do some damage. So that's it for today. I will be back with another video again soon, but if you found some value in this video, please give me a thumbs up, give me a like, click comment below. Would love to hear from you. My contact information is below. Would love to know what your mistakes have been. I'm guilty of a few that I shared, so I'm always transparent in sharing what's working and not working for me. So we will see you on the next video. Take care. Have a good night. Bye-bye.